Thank you. I have the honor to be the last speaker of this day's program. I'll try make it snappy and stay interested. So I'm an adult endocrinologist, like my colleague Ulle Einberg from the Children's Hospital you just mentioned.
Turneri sündroomiga patsiente on päris omajagu arvutuslikult ja kaugeltki kõik ei ole nad meie juurde jõudnud.
There could be quite a number of patients with Turner syndrome, and we have not found all of them. Patients without a diagnosis, both here and in the other European countries, can be quite high. There are a few countries where the state of affairs is better. Denmark as a positive example, where lots of patients have been found and are being monitored and treated. All drugs that we need to help these patients exist already. What's needed is to have the patients reach us so we can help them, monitor them, and treat them. Patients late for treatment miss out on a lot. They miss out on growth hormone, so they don't grow as tall as they might otherwise have. And height is important in an adult's life, including for pregnancy and gestation. Let's talk about transition from the child pediatric network to adult network. Patients are being well treated by pediatricians. All the patients we take over are excellent patients. However, patients who have disappeared in the course of treatment or have never made their way to us are more problematic. By the time we receive patients, we would like them to have had heart tests, echocardiography, cardiac MRI or CT. The matters to discuss are fertility treatment and fertility and possible fertility treatment, among others. These two are matters that should be initiated by pediatricians. And this is, of course, not a matter of one meeting. What do we do with adult Turner's patients? There are numerous diseases we need to monitor for. And like Ulle said, not all patients develop all of these diseases. However, we should monitor them for the entirety of them. So cardiac disease, cardiac valve and major blood vessel malformations, hypertension with timely treatment, weight, diabetes, hormone replacement therapy. I'll skip reading out all the considerations. Instead, let's look closer at the rest of the slides on what to monitor on an adult Turner's patient. We know that the main risk is cardiac, is finding cardiovascular issues. We know that 50% of girls with Turners have a congenital cardiac anomaly, whether it's bicuspid aortic valve or thoracic aortic stenosis or aneurysm. Particularly difficult are patients with combined problems who have two or more of the most frequent cardiac anomalies.
nendel patsientidel tõesti
There are
esineb
numerous
rohkem
articles
äkksurmasid just
stating that these patients
aordianeurüsmi
are at a higher
rebendite
risk of
tõttu
sudden
noores
death
eas, kuna
from
seda ei osata
aortic
kahtlustada.
dissection at a young age,
Siis ka
since
uues ravijuhendis on
it's
öeldud,
not
et iga
necessarily
ringkerevalu
suspected.
noorel naisel vanuses
The
30-35
treatment guidelines state
aastat
that
kuskil seal vahemikus kindlasti
any
tuleb sellele
chest pain
tähelepanu pöörata
on
ja
women
teha õigeaegseid
from the age of
uuringuid.
30 or to 35 should be
Nüüd kaasasündinud
seriously considered and
südamerikkeid on rohkem nendel patsientidel, kellel
tested
on
and studied.
klassikaline karyootüüp ehk siis 45
Congenital
0 ja võib-olla
heart anomalies are
sellised stigmad, mis selle klassikalise tüübiga
more
kaasas
prevalent
käivad, ehk siis
in
selline
certain
näiteks
patient
laia
groups.
kaelaga patsiendid. Et kui meil on klassikaline karyotüüp
There are stigmas
ja
prevalent with the 45X karyotype, such as having a broad neck. For patients with those issues, we should certainly do the cardiac testing early. In the absence of these issues, however, there are no contraindications for sport and physical movement. Hypertension is a serious issue for these patients. It is common and early. Daytime blood pressure may be fine. However, nighttime blood pressure may not drop as it normally would. And once hypertension has been diagnosed, it must certainly be treated. For coagulation, Turner's patients have neither a higher thrombosis risk nor a higher hemorrhage risk. Therefore, coagulation indicators do not need to be checked before initiating estrogen therapy. The thyroid function needs to be checked, especially if a high level of cholesterol is found. For adult patients, attention should especially be paid to the pregnancy period, which often is successful using IVF. We need to know the cardiac status, the blood pressure, and the risks facing every particular patient. And we should have a multidisciplinary team supporting each pregnant patient. I mentioned obesity. This is partly related to the lower stature, which causes fewer calories to be spent. Therefore, staying within a healthy weight is more difficult for TERS patients. It is a lifetime effort. We, I'm sure, are able to help them in this. Nearly half of Turner's patients are pre-diabetic, and type 2 diabetes is also widespread. Insulin resistance is more common than insulin deficiency. There are renal structure and vasculature malformations, but those do not normally impact the quality of life. There are also early high cholesterol problems, frequent eye problems, and more common birthmarks, which, however, are rarely malignant. Weakness of hearing is common. It's up to 80% more common and progresses more rapidly than healthy persons. And the patient might not notice. We might be able to notice it in the course of appointment.
Osteoporoosi ärahoidmiseks on väga oluline hormoonasendusravi,
In order to
pikaajaline
prevent osteoporosis,
hormoonasendusravi, nii nagu
long-term
ütleb,
hormone
viljapuse
replacement therapy
viljakusraviks
is important,
ettevalmistuseks.
similarly
kui
to
kenasti siis seda
fertility
östrogeenasendusravi
treatments.
teha, D-vitamiini asendada, siis sageli
D-vitamin
biifosfonaate
should
nendel
also be
kasutada ei
prescribed.
olegi vaja ja jälgime
Then often
detsibellimeetriga.
this phosphonate treatment is not
Funktsiooni osas
necessary.
on kindlasti vaja
As for
jälgida,
the
sest
thyroid
vähemalt
gland function, it should be monitored
alatalitlust, et seda kindlasti tuleb
since there's widespread
et viljakust
malfunction.
mainides, siis spontaanseid rasedusi
As
võib
for
olla vähem kui
fertility,
5%
less than
patsientidest
5% of Turner's
ja
patients
selles osas juba
experience
siis küllaltki
spontaneous
vara tuleb
pregnancy.
patsiente nõustada, et nende fertiilsus langeb
They
aastatega
should
väga
be
kiiresti.
counseled early to let them know
Eriti
their
siis
fertility rapidly
mosaiiksetel
decreases with
Turneri
age,
sündroomiga
especially for
patsientidel, kellel on
mosaic-Turner syndrome
võimalikud ka
patients.
spontaansed rasedused, et nad võiksid siis ikkagi küllaltki varakult selle raseduse
Who
saada,
are able
kui
to
see nende soovidega muidugi
become
kokku
pregnant
käib.
naturally. So if this is their
siis
goal, they
IVF
should be advised to start
mis on
early.
siis soovitavad,
As for
ka
IVF
dopeerimist
procedures, we should recommend
soovitame nendele
IVF
patsientidele
procedures
ja siin
and
ka meie
we
Turneri ühingus
often
on selles
recommend
osas
adoption.
siis patsiente ka nõustatud.
And the
Sellega
Turner
kaasneb siis ka
Association
mitmeid
has
juriidilisi probleeme.
counseled patients accordingly.
Ja siin
This
on
also
siis ka
involves
mul tabelisse
numerous
pandud
legal
lihtsalt, ma ei hakka seda ka ette
issues.
lugema, et siin on igal aastal tegelikult nende patsientidega
There's
midagi
a
vaja
table
teha,
here on
et
the
jälgida neid
monitoring
erinevaid
frequency of
aspekte
various aspects of their physiology.
ja tegeleda nendega, et kuidas me need patsiendid, kõik need 350 siin Eesti peale üles leiame, see on eraldi küsimus. Aga võib-olla meie Turneri
we're still working on
levitada
finding all the
teadmist selle haiguse
350
kohta.
patients likely to be in Estonia, but hopefully the Turner's Association will help spread the word.
Üldiselt saavad need patsiendid päris kenasti
Socially speaking,
sotsiaalselt hakkama,
patients
nad töötavad
socialize fine.
Heade
They
töökohtade
work
peal, kes paremini
and
saab hakkama,
hold
kes natukene halvemini, aga neid on ka
good
minu
positions,
kolleegide seas, et nende on arste, on
but
õdesid,
there are
on
also
logistikuid,
Turner syndrome patients among my colleagues, doctors, nurses,
kipub olema
logistics
ikkagi neil
specialists,
sellist
and
rohkem
so on.
isoleeritust, rohkem
However, they're
enesesesõlkumist, nad on
often
harvem
more
abielus,
isolated,
on vähem sõpru.
turned inwards,
selline
they are more
isoleeritus
rarely married, they have fewer friends.
Tekitab selliseid
And this
depressiivseid
isolation
perioode, kus siis
can
ma ka
cause
mainiksin
depressive
ikkagi ära selle
periods.
meie Turner Eesti ühingu, et
I
võib-olla
would
see natukene
again
aitab
bring up
patsiente,
our
et
Turner's
kokku
Association,
tulla ja rääkida oma
which may be
muredest
able to
ja
help
aru saada
patients a bit
siis kuidas on
with us. They
terviseproos edasi
may be able
minna.
to meet, talk,
Ja mis
and
ma siis arstina veel ütleksin, et mis on
work
nagu
on moving
oluline,
ahead.
loomulikult on oluline koostöö patsiendiga,
For
koostöö
doctors,
kindlasti
obviously,
meie heade
working with the
lastearstidega,
patient is important.
perearstidega
Also
ja
working with
mingil
our
perioodil siis ka
pediatricians,
gümnakoloogidega,
GPs,
viljatusraviarstidega.
and during certain periods with gynecologists and
Lastearstidelt siis tõesti see
fertility
nii-öelda see
specialists.
transition kliinik või siis see üleminekukliinik, kus me neid patsiente
Transition
kenasti siis
clinic
üle võtame, et meil ei ole see
to
protsess
hand
täiuslik,
over and
aga me
take
teeme
over
seda ja me teeme
patients
seda
should
tegelikult
take
juba
place.
aastaid, et kindlasti me saame
The
seda
process
parandada,
itself is by no means
aga väga
perfect
hea on, kui lastearstid meile juba
in
hästi ravitud
Estonia,
haiged üle annavad.
but we are
raskem
always
on
happy to
natukene
receive a well-treated
perearstidega, kes sageli
patient
seda
with good treatment from
patsienti võib-olla oma
pediatricians.
nimistus ka ära ei tunne. Ehk siis märksõna
The
võib-olla Turneri
GPs may not
sündroomiga patsiendi puhul võiks olla, et
always
juba tavaliselt
recognize
lühike naine.
their
Et võib-olla
patients
peaks nagu
with
mõtlema, et
Turners.
mis selle taga on, et kas perekond on sama
So GPs should be
lühikese
notified
kasvulised
of
või on seal
paying
mingi
some thought
haigus.
to uncommonly
Ja
short
muidugi
women to
patsientide
check whether
teadlikkuse
their
tõstmine
family members are as
patsientidele
short or whether
pakub see
this
siis
might be
võimalust elada
a
täisväärtuslikku
matter of
elu.
genes.
Ja siin jällegi meie Turneri ühing
The patient
kindlasti saab
support
üht-teist
group,
ära teha.
including our Turner's
Pakkuda
Association, can
koolitust,
also
paremat
improve quality of
arusaamist ja
life
paremat
for
toimetulekut.
patients and
ja veel kord,
provide
et kuidas siis
training
leida
for
endokrinoloogi,
specialists.
kuidas hoida kontakti, et vahel, kui see
How
süsteem
to
hästi ei toimi,
get an appointment with an endocrinologist, how
aega ei ole,
to stay
arsti
in
juurde ei saa,
contact when the
et
system
helistate
does not
uuesti,
easily allow it.
siis väga hästi
It is
toimiv
frequent
süsteem
enough
on arstide
to be
vahel selline
unable to
e-konsultatsiooni süsteem,
book
kus
times
perearstid
because the
saavad meile
times are
saata ja
all
eriarstid eriarstile
full.
saavad saata.
Then
Nii et siin me oleme väga palju
e-consultations
patsiente
are
vähendanud.
available both with
Ja
specialists and with
tagasikutse saatekirjad
specialists.
saame neid kenasti tagasi kutsuda ja kontakte jagada.
Referred
Nii et
also by
patsiendid, kellele
other
me ka oma
specialists.
kabineti otsenumbreid vahel
And
anname.
there are
Ja
also some
kuidas
patients to
siis
whom we give our
need
direct
patsiendid
line.
oma elus üldiselt hakkama saavad, nagu ma ütlesin,
How
saavad
do
hakkama
patients
päris
normally
hästi,
cope in their
mõned
lives? As
rahuldavad,
I
mõned
said,
paremini,
generally very
aga
well,
võib minna
some
ka nii, et
satisfactory,
väga hästi.
some well,
Ehk siis
and
võib-olla
some of
tunnete siin
them
keskmise
very
pildi
well.
peal ära ühe
You
näitlejanna,
might recognize
kes
here
on omal
the
ajal ka
actress
Oscari auhinna
Linda
saanud,
Hunt,
et olete vaadanud
awarded with an Oscar.
Kriminulli, siis Linda
Perhaps
Hunt
if you've
on seal
watched
mänginud
true
sellist
crime
detektiivi
shows, then Linda Hunt
Turneri
played
sündroomiga 45X0.
um,
Et mina tänan teid.
has played a detective,
Suur
and
tänu.
she's a 45X
Suur aitäh.
of Turner's patient. Thank you.
Ja kas keegi tahab miskit öelda, küsida veel praegu?
Does anyone have any
Kõik on
questions?
väsinud, aga võib-olla on keegi, kes ütleb, no miks ma ei
I
saanud
believe
küsida,
everyone's
miks ma ei
tired.
saanud öelda?
Jaa,
Mina võin küsida.
We're all
Jaa.
tired, but maybe there's somebody.
Meil on kohe 2
I'd like to ask something. We got two proposals for you. We would like to participate in creating a information leaflet on Turner's, and we could email patients we have seen, informing them of the existence of such an association. And we have
väga tore, aitäh.
a way to inform our
Ja
patients.
perearstide koolitus ja sihuke üldine teadmise
Excellent.
levitamine, et seda me kõike oleme alustanud, aga sellest kõigest on vähe.
We all have started spreading the word,
Aitäh.
but our own efforts
Jõudu. Aitäh.
have not yet reached the end point.